Pizza, pizza.
You called that touchdown. Saw that sack coming. Predicted the pizza tasted better than it looks. And of course, you knew the game's not over until it's over. So now head to the FanDuel app, choose your free game, and pick along with Phil and Boomer for your shot at a share of $1 million in prizes. FanDuel, make every moment more.
Alrighty, Phil, if you like defensive battles like Coach Cowher does, boy, do I have the game for you. It is the Falcons at the Ravens. That equals lots of rushing yards and few points. I'm taking the Ravens 17-10.
Okay, Boomer, good pick by you. I'm looking at Patrick Mahomes this week. It may feel like 0 degrees in Kansas City, but Mahomes will heat up the Seahawks defense today.
There's still time to outfit Phil and Boomer. Head to the FanDuel app now to choose your free game and play for a share of $1 million in prizes.
CBS Sports welcomes you to the following presentation of the National Football League.
Isn't that guy supposed to be somewhere else? It is officially the 5th coldest game in Soldier Field history. Temperature at 9 feels like 12 below 0. Welcome back. What was it like to play in cold weather for you, Arch?
Well, I got to tell you, it's not fun. It's really the wind, Greg. You can deal with cold weather in the teens. You certainly start to feel it when it gets below 10, but the wind is really the big factor.
The Buffalo Bills have won the toss and they have deferred, which means that the Bears will get their hands on the football first.